Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets to make unique values. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and want to ensure you're only seeing distinct entries without any repeated information cluttering your spreadsheet. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheets are stored. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to remove duplicates. This will open up your Google Sheet in a new window, displaying all your data and making it ready for editing. Take a moment to review your spreadsheet and identify the range of data you want to clean up. Now here's where the actual duplicate removal process begins. First, you need to select or highlight the data range that you want to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the cells, or if you want to select all your data, you can click on the top left corner where the row and column headers meet. Once your data is highlighted, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Data menu. This menu contains various tools for managing and organizing your spreadsheet information. From the Data menu, hover over or click on Data Cleanup. This option is specifically designed to help you maintain clean, organized data by removing unwanted elements. Within the Data Cleanup submenu, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, click on Remove Duplicates. This feature is what will scan through your selected data and identify any duplicate entries. After clicking Remove Duplicates, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you'll see options related to which columns to check for duplicates and other settings. Simply click the Remove Duplicates button within this dialog to confirm and execute the action. Google Sheets will now process your data, which might take a moment depending on how large your data set is. Once the process is complete, a message will appear showing you exactly how many duplicates were found and removed, as well as how many unique values remain in your data set. This gives you a clear picture of how much your data has been cleaned up. Just click OK to close this message and finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully removed all duplicate entries from your Google Sheet, leaving you with only unique values. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.